My new favorite product, which are the 4x4 Dreamweavers, which are amazing because see, we're just doing a little regrowth here, and so we don't need the longer plastic for this. And right to the scalp. It's so easy. And you just lay the Dreamweaver right there, right on the part line. And just take out a little bit of hair right along the part. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and work down the back of her scalp, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lift up the front and look through and see what color it is. And it's not quite ready yet, as you can see. I want it to be a little bit lighter than that. So then I just lay it back down. But I don't have to unfold foils, I don't have to move anything around. So give them a try. You'll love coloring hair again. Okay, so what I've done now on the side of Kathy's head, and most people, you get a little bit of a longer area. You can actually turn the 4x6 sideways and it'll cover that whole area. And then when I get down to the behind the ear where it gets narrow again, then I'll use the small one and down to the hairline. Okay, oh, let's look at this top. Let's see what's going on here. It's just about ready. Yep, look at that. It's perfect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull these off. Okay, we've got the finished product from Kathy. Look at that beautiful weave right to the scalp. Perfect. Perfect every time. Another perfect weave with Dreamweavers. Thanks for watching.